Hello everyone and happy Sunday to you. In this video I'll be sharing with you my yummy fruit salad recipe for a clear and glowy looking skin. This salad is loaded with all those nutrients you need to give you that ageless glow from within. So if you want to have that healthy, fresh, younger, refreshing looking skin, you want to add this recipe into your daily life, you can have it as breakfast or you can snack on it during the day to nourish your system with all those nutrients you need to have that clear skin, that glowy and younger looking skin. So it actually tastes so good and will keep you so full for long without feeling like eating too often during the day and gaining a lot of weight. So in order to come up with this recipe, the first ingredient I will be using will be pineapple. So I am peeling my pineapple to use the peel for my weight loss drinks or weight loss tea. If you haven't watched my weight loss recipes, ask me, I'll link you up how to use pineapple peel to come up with your weight loss tea. So don't throw it, you want to keep it for your weight loss or belly fat loss tea. So this is my pineapple and I'll be using just half of this pineapple, so you can store the remaining for your smoothies later. Or but for this salad I will be using just half a pineapple and I will be slicing in some lovely sizes that makes it so looking so beautiful and appetizing. Pineapples are loaded or a very rich source of vitamin C to cleanse your skin from within, to give you that glowy looking skin from within, because as I always say, whatever you put internally reflects outwardly. If you put the right nutrients, most especially vitamin C, to give you that glow from within, you will have that fresh, ageless glow to your skin. So this is the first ingredient: half a pineapple sliced into some lovely sizes, very beautiful sizes. Pineapples are equally good as they help to boost your metabolism, to help you lose weight, metabolize food so nothing stores up, causing belly fat and weight gain. So that is the first ingredient for my lovely yummy fruit salad. The second ingredient I will be adding in here will be watermelons. Watermelons are so refreshing, most especially during this winter period, or if you are someone from 25 and above of age, you want to always hydrate your skin from within, because hydration helps to fight aging on the skin. Not just that, watermelons are highly rich in vitamin A, which helps to protect your skin cells from damaging, causing premature aging. It equally helps to protect your skin cells from all those, it firms up your skin, preventing all the premature wrinkles on the skin, which is a very good fruit you want to consume if you are someone to always have, you will love to always have that youthfulness to your skin. And it equally helps to give you that glow from within, as it is highly rich in vitamin E as well, with so many other vitamins and minerals to nourish your system, hydrate you, and they actually taste so good in the mouth. Trust me. You want to slice in some beautiful sizes that will make your fruit salad look so beautiful. So these are the square shapes I came up with. You can slice them in whatever shape you like, but I just love these square uniform kinds of shapes so my salad looks appetizing. So these are the first two ingredients for my vegetable salad. The next ingredient I will be adding in here will be papaya. Papayas are highly rich in vitamin E, vitamin C, so many other vitamins and minerals. Most especially vitamin E and vitamin C help to boost collagen production, and collagen is what is responsible for the youthfulness of your skin. So adding it in your fruit salad is like fighting aging from within. You want to fight that aging skin from within, because as you age, everything slows down. You no longer make collagen as you used to when you were much younger. So consuming vitamin E and vitamin C foods help to boost collagen production, and collagen is what helps to maintain your skin's elasticity, so you don't experience sagging skin, flappy skin. Before you know it, your skin start looking wrinkled and flappy. So this is to help firm up your skin by boosting collagen production. So what I'll be using is like, I'll get one papaya, I'll slice in the middle, and I'm just using like 3/4, or is it 1/4? Yeah, 1/4 of the papaya. So you slice your papaya into four uniform sizes, and you use just one, like 1/4. Yeah, so this is just 1/4 of my papaya I used. So that is it. This is the The third ingredient in there, and voila, now to the fourth ingredient would be mangoes. Mangoes are the bomb when it comes to fighting aging on the skin and giving you that ageless glow from within, as they are highly equally rich in vitamin E and vitamin C to fight aging on the skin, to give you that youthfulness, most especially vitamin E. Mangoes are highly rich in vitamin E to boost collagen production for that youthful, ageless glow to the skin. So what I'll be using is one mango. So you can use any mango of your choice. There are different kinds of mangoes, but mango is mango. So this is it. I will be slicing in some beautiful slices as well, these square shapes. As you notice, I've sliced all the other ingredients just like I'm doing this now, these square little shapes. This is how I come up with these shapes. I really wanted to take time and show you how I do it with this mango, so you can follow suit with all the other ingredients. Just slice into sizes that you can. Yeah, so mangoes are so good. They taste so good in the mouth. They will keep you so full for long without you cravings. They will give you that natural sugar you need without craving all the bad sugar, and this is so healthy and good. Yeah, so the next thing you want to do is to get your lemon. We want this lemon in here to neutralize any sugar or help you with weight loss. So you want to squeeze in some lemons into your vegetable salad for taste, and equally to help you with weight loss. If you're someone looking to lose belly fat, most especially, you want to squeeze some lemons in there. Like, you have added lemon in this fruit salad now, it makes it so healthy. This easily digests, leaving in nutrients into your system without storing up, causing belly fat and weight gain. Very healthy breakfast, or you can snack on it during the day as your snack instead of cakes. This is so healthy. I hope someone found this video helpful. Don't forget to share with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.